Good morning. You're up early today.
Yeah, couldn't sleep much last night.
Really? What happened?
I don't know, my mind just wouldn't stop thinking.
That sounds frustrating.
It was. I kept turning again and again.
Did something bother you?
Not exactly. Maybe stress.
Work stress?
Yeah, a little.
How many hours did you sleep?
Maybe 4?
4 hours? That's so little.
I know. I feel exhausted.
Did you try relaxing before bed?
I did, but nothing helped.
What about herbal tea?
I had chamomile tea.
That usually helps you.
Not this time.
Did you use your phone in bed?
Yes. Maybe that's the problem.
Phone light can mess up sleep.
I know.
You should avoid it at least an hour before bed.
Yeah, you told me that before.
And you still don't listen.
Maybe I'm stubborn.
Definitely stubborn.
Okay. Maybe a little.
Did you wake up in the middle of the night?
Yes, twice.
What woke you up?
A weird dream?
Oh? What kind of dream?
I was walking alone in a giant, empty mall.
That sounds creepy.
It was
Dreams can really affect sleep.
true.
Did you feel stressed before going to bed?
A little.
What were you thinking about?
Deadlines, tasks, everything.
I get that.
Do you sleep well usually?
Most days, yeah.
What's your secret?
I don't think too much at night.
Lucky you.
I try to keep my mind empty.
How?
I play relaxing music.
Oh, that's nice.
It really helps me.
Maybe I should try that.
You should.
Do you ever have insomnia?
Sometimes, but not often.
What do you do then?
I get out of bed.
Why?
Staying in bed makes it worse.
Really?
Yep.
Interesting.
I read something or stretch.
Oh, stretching sounds nice.
It relaxes your body.
I'll try that tonight.
Good plan.
What time did you sleep?
Around 11.
And you woke up at 6?
Yep, like always.
You're so disciplined.
I try to be.
That's why you sleep well.
Maybe.
I envy your routine.
I can help you build one.
Really?
Of course.
Okay, teach me.
First rule, no phone in bed.
Oh,
Second rule, sleep at the same time every day.
even weekends?
Yes,
That's hard.
not impossible.
Maybe.
Third rule, warm shower before bed.
I love warm showers.
Good, that helps.
Anything else?
Light dinner.
Not heavy meals?
No, they make sleep worse.
True.
Also, keep your room cool.
That helps?
A lot.
Okay.
And no coffee after 5 p.m.
Oops.
What?
I had coffee at 8 p.m.
That explains everything.
Don't laugh.
I'm not laughing, but I want to.
Okay, my mistake.
It's okay.
I'll stop drinking late coffee.
Good idea.
Do you ever nap during the day?
Sometimes.
For how long?
20 minutes.
That's so short.
Longer naps ruin night sleep.
Oh, that makes sense.
How long do you nap?
1 hour, sometimes 2.
That's too much.
I know.
Try shorter naps.
I'll try.
Good.
Maybe I'm sleeping too late?
What time do you sleep?
Around 1 a.m.?
That's late.
I know.
Try sleeping around 11.
That early?
Yes, your body needs it.
I'll try.
Want me to remind you?
Yes, please.
I will.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I hope tonight is better.
It will be.
You sound confident.
Because I know it.
I like that.
Just follow the routine
I will.
and relax your mind.
How do I do that?
Think positive
I'll try.
and breathe deeply.
Like meditation?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Do you feel sleepy now?
A little.
That's a good sign.
Maybe I just needed to talk.
Talking helps.
It really does.
Want another cup of tea?
Sure.
I'll make it.
You're so kind.
Always.
Thank you. I think I'll sleep better tonight.